Welcome, in front of me is a NAVITEL T787 and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. To get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down. Do so once more to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a power saving mode. Now, if it's not visible on the first page, well, there it is for me. So once you see it somewhere on the page, obviously just simply tap on it. This will bring up a window, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activities, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. This is just a message, so I'm going to select turn on now. And the most important thing that was listed there will be the some network connections. And what it means by some network connections, because this is a very brief and stupid explanation, is it will basically disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So when you put it to sleep mode like this, it will start a countdown, at which point once whatever the countdown is, I have no clue, it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, because of this, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications from apps that would require internet connection. And just to name a few, email, Facebook, Messenger, and basically any other app that requires network. So if you're experiencing that you're not getting notifications from these apps, just know that this is the power saving mode. Now there is a chance that could be reconnecting to network every so often, like every half an hour as an example. So you might be getting notifications, but they obviously could be delayed. Now anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and simply tapping on it. And there we go. So with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.